Hello friends, my today topic is SQL statements. How to write it down SQL statements in SQL workbench. Today we will learn this. You will learn about the basic constructs of the select query today. You will specify learn in coming videos. You will also learn about various clauses like from, where, operations like arithmetic, comparison and logical. So let us consider a data set of the Indian census containing at least a billion rows with data on every individual's height, weight, monthly income, and hundreds of more such attributes are there. How do you even start with the analysis of such extensive data set to capture any trends in the data? The SQL clause that you will learn in this segment and throughout this session in coming videos. This will help you with this. Then now I am going to MySQL workbench. What we will learn today. See guys, what we have done a schema here, market star schema. First thing I want to tell you how to upload this here. What we will do, if you go back to the here, you will see in your screen that here is a table import. Here will be a column import. Then what you will do there, you will click on import, and then when you will click on import, then there is a file will open. See, see here. You have to click here, data import restore. After data import restoring, you have to click here, import self-contained file. After self-contained file, you will go to the your C folder, then documents, then you have to create a folder dumps there. If this is not there, you have to create, and I am providing you a file. This I am talking about census data. You have to put that file name export.sql. On this file we are working today. So what you have to do, you have to download this file from the description link. Then you have to create in a C folder in documents. You have to create dumps folder, and in dumps folder you have to put this file. Then what you need to do, go to here. You have to do market star schema. You have to click here market star schema. Then you have to go to you should go here import and start import. As you will do start import, if there is no error, then this will be fully imported, and then you will go to the schemas. Then you will find out that there is a schema there. There is a schema here. In schema there are number of tables. We will what we are going to use, we are using we are generating query for cust dimension before. So select, I hope you understood how to upload the data in MySQL. There are some others methods too, but you because we are uploading a file, so have to use this one. We will talk about other methods in future videos. So what is select statement? It's most important and most beautiful statement of SQL, and it is really a powerful SQL statement. So your specialization in select statement is really very important for your professional career. I will increase the complexity of query with time in coming queries. So now it's easy. If someone else is, so it will look like easy if someone else is writing it, but it's not so easy. It's a result oriented command, what you want to extract from your database. So you have to be very careful and very smart for using this type of statement. So it is designed like it look like the English. When you will use it, you will feel like that it's like design like English. So I want to make you clear that you should practice it with very concentration with your own question, so you can be comfortable with the use of select statement. This is the best way to learn how it should be done. Practice and practice. Keep your MySQL workbench window open and keep trying it, as I am going to write it down here. As I will write down here, I will then pause here and practice in your workbench for the same query. Then you will get to know what's going to happen. After watching this, you will not understand much, but after practice, you will understand what is going to happen. So, I will give you broad overview here. If we are using select clause, it has multiple elements within it. It has from, group by, having, order by. So these elements are also the part of select statement. So if you learn how to use select statement, then obviously you will learn how to use these keywords from, group by, having, order by. You will learn all this. So we will take it step by step. First, what we want to see, select star from first dimension. Print all the data of customer. Then what we will do, select the star from first dimension. After writing this, we can execute it. After executing, you will get this data. Customer name, city which belong to state, and customer segment, small business, home, or what is the business of the, it may be a corporate. You can see by scrolling it down that it has number of rows here. So this show the all the data for all the customers. Now we will go to the second command. If we want to see the name only, list the names of all the customers. Select customer name from cus dimension. After selecting it, we can also run it. See the beautiful command. See, you will have only name of the customer here. Only a single table. That's why you find the name of the table as always. See, we will end up this by semicolon. So here you will find all the names of the customer. If I am not interested in all the attributes find out in this one command, then I can go any of the attribute here, like customer name, like segment, like age, like whatever you want. Whatever attributes are there, if you want to extract any of them, you can use here, and you can put semicolon here. Then you will extract that particular attribute. Here I want to display the names only, so that's why I use this one. Data retrieved with select statement, no order is associated with it generally. In general, it displays the data into the table as it is put on in the table it's created. So the data inserted into the table will show the same order, but there is no particular order here. So if you want to extract the data in order, in any particular order, then you have to learn how to do this. I will make you clear this in my next video. I hope you understood how to upload the database, how to use basic select command here, and how to retrieve the data. Okay, please do more and more practice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, friends.